Item 712. Cleaning and sealing joints and cracks. Asphalt concrete. 1. Description. Clean and seal joints and cracks in asphalt concrete roadway surfaces. 2. Materials. Furnish materials unless otherwise shown on the plans. Furnish sealant materials as shown on the plans in accordance with Item 300, asphalts, oils, and emulsions. Furnish fine aggregate in accordance with Section 340.2.1.3, fine aggregate. 3. Equipment. Furnish equipment, tools, and machinery for proper execution of the work. 3.1 Hot applied sealants. Heat in a double-jacketed heater using a heat transfer oil so no direct flame comes in contact with the shell of the vessel containing the sealing compound. Provide a heater capable of circulating and agitating the sealant during the heating process to achieve a uniform temperature rise and maintain the desired temperature. Provide gauges to monitor the temperature of the vessel contents and avoid overheating the material. Provide a heater equipped with a gear-driven asphalt pump with adequate pressure to dispense the sealant. 3.2 Cold applied sealants. Provide equipment with adequate pressure to dispense the sealant in a continuous flow. 4 Work methods. Apply material when the air or pavement temperature is within the manufacturer's recommendations or as approved. Clean and seal joints and cracks that are 1/16 inches or greater in width. Fill cracks with dry sand for cracks greater than 1/2 inches or as shown on the plans. Route joints and cracks to the configuration shown on the plans when required. Clean joints and cracks with air blast cleaning or other acceptable methods to a depth at least twice the joint or crack width. Joints and cracks must be free of moisture before sealing. Dispose of materials removed as directed or approved. Apply sealing material with a pressure nozzle. Completely fill cracks and joints. Squeegee material to no more than 3 inches wide and 1/8 inches above the pavement surface. Prevent tracking with an application of fine aggregate as directed. 5. Measurement. This item will be measured by the foot, gallon, pound, or lane mile. Shoulders wider than 6 feet are considered additional lanes. 6. Payment. The work performed and materials furnished in accordance with this item and measured as provided under measurement will be paid for at the unit price bid for joint and crack sealing of the sealant material specified and joint and crack routing and sealing of the sealant material specified. This price is full compensation for routing, cleaning, and sealing joints and cracks, furnishing and placing materials, and equipment, labor, tools, and incidentals. If measurement is by the lane mile, shoulders 6 feet or narrower will not be paid for directly but will be subsidiary to work on the adjacent travel lane.